Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So last video we have done how to upload file and from React to backend and send it to Ep9 service. So we save the file from user to Ep9 service and let's make a test. Alright, I upload two files and I just put the file information in form and hit send button. Right now you can see it open in Robo 3T client. We have a port share with two file objects and same for a file collection. We can see two files with subject name, original name, and name is the key. Is that the Amazon Ep9 key? We can use this to request the downloads in this video. Okay, so let me refresh my Ep9 measurement controller. You can see two files just uploaded, and we have actually file name, and we appended the date time in units timestamp. Or we need to keep this for uniquare when uploaded. Okay, so in this video I am going to show you how to download file from Ep9 service. So right now you can click download here and the file is not found because it's the old method we used to download from a local server and now our file stored on Ep9 service. Now we need to custom our method. So let's get back to API and we check our router and we have a router uploaded and download. It's actually the download file, and now you can see we have a 5 parts now to upload directory. Now no more working because all file no save on our local server. So let me implement new download method. So there are two ways to download file from Ep9. The first way, so let me do the first way. So let's get started with first way. So I'm going to create a new class. Okay, so Ep3.cs. Okay, Ep3.cs, and I'm going to define a new class. But default class and Ep3 and constructor give its initialize function app and request. Response. Address. Okay, so we do that with app equal app and this dot response equal response. Okay, so with that initialize function, so in our router, now we can no more this. Now I will uncomment this. We don't need it anymore. So okay, so we declare new Ep3 class. So now in our browsers you can import that. Import Ep3 import Ep3 from file Ep3, right? Okay, so we have Ep3. Now we can do in our downloads now can download file from Ep9 service. Okay, so the cost downloader equal new Ep9. So we initialize with Ep9 will be an app and response equal res. This is that, and app is the app as we define above. So app. And now in Ep9 I am going to comment downloads and intermediate downloads. Okay, so download we can give a file. Press download, we can view a file, and now we do have a result. So we can do that. The result is an array. So we need to get the first array. Course file equal. You should load that function. Result from the first item of the array, is the file object we need to do. So in downloader, we download the download file. So now I'm do this, and downloader, we can return it downloader dot downloads, and now we give file. So do that. Okay, so in downloader, download. Now I'm going to use the Ep9. Okay, the first thing I need to import loadat function. Import underscore from loadat. Now do that. Okay, get back to our index file. Make sure we have a card which initialize Amazon service Ep9 with this init Ep9 class. And now in the bottom app.Ep9 equal Ep9. I can do that Ep9. And to make sure we have a config as well. We done it a bit in the last video, so I don't want to talk about it again. So we have app.Ep9 equal Ep9. So now we can get Ep9 class from in our Ep9. And did do it. Cards app equal this.app. Or actually you can do this, got Ep9, this app dot Ep9, right? Now we can do get object from from Ep9 service. We can do that by Ep9 dot get object. And do that. And the option, I can do option, and create red stream. Okay, cross, file object. Okay, file equal something like that. And now we can do, we have a response, and now cost response equal this.response, and we just set this response in our initial class. So we can do that by file dot price response. Okay, right. So we and response dot attachment attachment. Okay, we do attachment. So now it should be file name. File name, I want to give actually file name that user selected from that computer. So it should be an original name. So we can do that by cost file name equal get using loadat function file object. That's a file object we pass from download in our router and download the file, and so we can get it by it's original name. I'm going to just copy the name, right? Copy that. I don't want to make a mistake when I type in something, right? Copy file name, attachment file name. So cool. So we'll get object option. So get option should be an option called option equal an object. Option will be an object. Bucket is the name of bucket. It's draw Ep9 bucket. So in my Amazon, name of bucket is called file app, and file apps. So you can do this file app, but actually I just set config the file app in our Ep9 in our config.cat. We do have this Ep9 bucket. So now I'm going to import Ep9 bucket from a config. I can do get, and now I can pass Ep9 bucket from this, and easy. And we have a key, right? The key. That's the key. Actually, the key when we upload file object to Ep9. Oh, let's take a look at our uploaded. When we upload file, alright, it's an index file. When we set up the muter, right? So muter upload, we have a key. Now the key exactly file name. Exactly is file name, and we appended the date times in units timestamp. and so we have a file name. This file name is exactly name of file object. So now you can pass it into S3 class by file name is a file name. So I can do this, or directly can do this get file name, right? So now let's make a test. Okay, so let's get back to our app, and now I'm click it. All right, let's give it an able connect. So let's take a look at our console. We see something happen. Got file. Right. All right. Now you can see a duplicate variable. So this is a file we have a pass from argument of these methods. So I just define file. I'm gonna do this file object. Rename the variable. So one more time, we need to wait for server restart, and it's restart, and back. It's ready for again, and click download. Cool. So you can see it works. I'll download this file and open it. Now you can see this picture. It's a download from S3. Now it's saved on my local. And let's take the next file. You can see it works. Right, cool. Alright, actually I did upload the same file. So now one more time I will upload another file. Search one, add a tab, and another file. Okay, so we'll do that. And send it. Now it's refresh S3. Okay, so we have a file upload here. So let's view the file and download again. Cool. Save file. Right, so it's a PDF. And now one more time, download this file. Wow, this is great. And that is the first way we download the file from S3. This way is a slower because we download. Let me explain this way. This actually our server will get the file object from S3 service and on our server, and the user will download from our server. So this way can be slower. And the next way I want to show you how to give a user download directly from S3. Okay, so in this case, now I am going to comment this. Now we can comment this case. There. Alright, this is proceed. It looks like proceed download from S3 service. Right? And now this is the second way. It's downloads directly from S3. Right, do this. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is create a new function equal get download URL. URL equal. So we also need to file object argument. So I'm going to copy that. Copy S3 from above, and the next option we can do this. Copy that. And now we have a more different. So it's different is okay. So return code URL equal S3 dot get signed. It should be signed. The signed URL. This is a function. So if you want to get a document from Amazon service, you can search for Node.js S3 get signed URL. So we have a document from Amazon. So we can search for get signed URL, and the get signed URL with the argument as operation and parameters. Alright, so we have Ep9. This is Ep9. Okay, so now I'm going to do that. Should we operation gets object, and the next thing is the param. So alright, this is the option, copy the option, right option. So you can see by default if we don't push a p, right, so that means so it traces the number in second. So by default is 900 second and is equal a quarter of hour. So let's give it a price. So actually I want to give a price from so 1 hour that in seconds can be 3600, right? This is 1 hour, right? Cool. So that means the URL after 1 hour will not available for download anymore. So we can do that. Get site.url and we return URL. Okay. So in our router, now we can do this by cost downloads, right? Download URL equal. Now it's downloader. We already initialized before and downloads get downloads URL. It's a method we did just vary. So we can pass file object to this. Now I'm going to use a tag by read.json again URL JSON and downloads URL equal into downloads URL. Now you can see in browser. Okay, wait for server restart. Now you can see. Okay, so I'm going to open this in new tab because it returns a JSON object. Alright, something happened. So let's take a look at server. We do it. Okay, red.json and downloader return red.json download. Alright, right. So it's my text. This download URL. Okay, so one more time we need to wait for server restart and refresh this URL. Now you can see that with get backwards.json download URL. Actually, I can copy that URL and open it in my new tab. You can see it download. Alright, it's download. Now you can open this. Okay, it's already download to my computer. Once again, I hit enter. Now you can see it's save file. Cool. So that works. So how we can do this? We send user to download file when you open this. So we can do it very simple. Uncomment it, or I can remove this by return dot redirect and the URL download URL. Okay. Okay, so now you can see. Okay, so now here's download. You can see this send user to download file with the file from Amazon. This is URL from Amazon. So this way is faster for download file because user download directly from Amazon S3 service. You can see that. Okay, so this file already saved on my computer. Okay, so next thing, we just download all function. This is download all function right now is learning work because in the old way we did method, we did implement is a local download. Now you need. So let me fix that. Okay, so let's take a look at push and download this file. Okay, so we have archiver our file downloads. Now we need to modify archiver. Simply can do check archive.js file. Right. So we won't need to upload the anymore. Package code file. And we don't need it anymore. I will uncomment this. Or I could comment this code. And again we'll do this by so in our S3 I'm going to create a new method. Alright, get object, right, file. So I will copy this code, but we don't give a return create stream, and we can return. So simply we do is return that. Alright, so it's for attachment. We don't need set anymore. File name. Okay, we don't need set anymore. Okay. So it is return an object, get object. Now in our archiver, we have a list of file. This file, and now I'm going to add file equal code file object equal, and now we need to import Ep3 from Ep3.add. It's a new class we did create, and so Ep3 new file object equal new Ep3. Right. So we can do this. Cos Ep3 equal new cos Ep3 downloads the equal a new Ep3. This is the app we just define it here, and response is respondable. Okay, so it's a downloader. Now we do the equal new downloader Ep3 downloader dot get object. File is actually the file argument. We loop through all the file. So we can do that. So in zip.file, I can do it by zip.append new file object with name equal. What's the name? I'm going to copy this. Guess it name. It's actually file name. Okay, so we done that. So okay, more same. Now we will check. Let's wait for server restart and download it. Now I'm going to hit button. Now it's work. So give me the download file. So our file is content2 file. This is a JPG and the PDF file. You can save that, or I can open this. Right, the download content2 file, and the zip file is to content2 file from Ep3. Okay, so right, okay, so now we need to make another tab again. Select 1, 2, and zip file. So I upload PDF, JPG, and download file. Okay, select that, and we send it. Okay, and we check about in our Ep3. Now you can see there's the download file on this. Now the view file, you can see download zip file. This is a zip file from Amazon. You can see link download directly from Ep3. And the next one you can do download all file. Now you can do that. Save that. Okay, open that. Okay, so it's a download zip file, it's content2 file. You can see that right each word. Okay, so thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.